What's up, BMR family? My name is Ray, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get freeform dreads, twists. You want this look? I'm gonna show you how to get it. Woo!
Niggas is groupies, bitches is sense, niggas is sense, bitches is groupies. They my shit, they some sense, they thought they knew me, but they don't. And I won't hold niggas on my dick, and I bet it that they gon' fall.
They hating, they watching, they lames, they fakes.
Alright, so first things first is you have to pick out your hair. I'm gonna show y'all step by step, so if you just gotta follow along. Just play the video and just do everything I'm saying, okay? So get ready. Pick your hair. But even before that, you do wanna wash your hair, you know. Obviously get it all clean before, you know. You get to the freeforming. So simple, this is what you do. Pick out your hair, right? Make sure your hair is picked out everywhere, even over on top. Don't just pick out the sides, you gotta get all around. You gotta pick out your hair. Mind you, make sure it's washed. Cause when you pick out your hair and then you twist it, it's gonna look 10 times better, I'm telling you, cause when I first did it, I didn't pick my hair. So it still looked good, but like it still looked like some parts looked like too low, some look too high, cause like I didn't pick out my hair. But when you pick out your hair, it gives it a way better look when you do it. So that's the main thing, is picking out your hair. Obviously, hair products come into play. You can't use just water. Come on, let's be realistic now. Come on now. I recommend Shea Moisture. You see that? Let that bit focus. It might be backwards, I don't know, but it's Shea Moisture Curling Styling Milk. You can get this anywhere. A grocery store, the corner store, the $5 store, the dollar store. It don't matter. You can get it wherever you want. Same with Eco Styling Hair Gel. Everybody uses this. Literally everybody uses. LeBron uses this. Odell uses this. The bald white guy uses this. Everybody uses this, I'm telling you. And what you're gonna wanna do is mix both of these and also have a little bit of water to like the palm of your hand. It doesn't have to, it damn sure shouldn't be a lot. It should just be like a small amount, like a tiny circle. That's what you wanna do first, like rub that in your hands like a small bit of water. Then take the Shea Moisture Eco Styling Hair Gel, rub it in your hands. Don't take a lot, just take enough for like your hair. Say like you have a lot of hair, you might want to take a little bit more than the average person. If you have a little bit of hair, then don't be wildin'. Just take a little bit, you know. Let's all be smart when we use our hair products, okay? Brush straight hair just like this, back and forth. You don't want to get it all in there because then that'll cause buildup. Your hair's gonna start to build up anyway, but you don't want to have too much buildup when you like put it in your hair. That's the number one thing you don't want to do. So we got all that out the way. You wash your hair, picked it out, put in the hair products, right? Alright, now we're good, we're chilling. Now what you want to do is, I recommend a wave brush, twist sponge. The twist sponge is actually more popular for those who don't know that, but I'm gonna tell you the difference. If you use a twist sponge, it's, how do I explain this? You're still gonna get the look, right? Obviously, if you have like bigger holes, you're gonna have like bigger dreads or twists. You have smaller holes, it's gonna be smaller dreads or smaller twists. So go by which one you want. I would say this is fairly small, almost medium. It's the official twist sponge, so I'm like that, right? So yeah, I didn't use this to get the freeform dreads, but when I had the afro, I used this. So I would say my favorite is the wave brush, because it gives you more like a Super Saiyan look, more like a spikier look. Who had it? Like Sharif O'Neal. You might see a picture of his hair right here, if I'm not lazy. And what's his name? DC the Don didn't use it. I'm pretty sure he got his done, but it looks just as similar. So if you know those guys, you're gonna see a picture anyway. You're gonna know what I'm talking about. I recommend use one of these to get the look, and make sure you do it to your desired look and circular motion. Pretty simple, nothing else to it. Now to maintain it, I would say wash your hair every 2 weeks if you don't play sports. Now, for my athletes, after practice, after a game, wash your hair. I'll make a separate video for y'all. I got y'all. because I know everyone has questions, and they're gonna be in my DMs. Happens almost every day. That's pretty simple. Now, as far as like going in the shower, always have a shower cap with you. Sometimes people could avoid water, but I recommend always have a shower cap on. And then when you go to sleep, have a hair tie. I don't have a hair tie with me that I can show y'all, but y'all know what a hair tie is. We're pretty smart. So have a hair tie. You know, just tie your hair if it's long enough. You know, I'm blessed to have long enough hair to do it. If your hair's not long enough, it's no big deal if you have a bed head. Just take some water, like a little bit, small circle. And just do this. Spread your hair out. You know, get out of that bed head look. And then use a twist sponge, use a wave brush to get your hair more live again. But yeah, that's all the tips, how to get it, how to maintain it. I will make a shower tutorial for y'all. I got y'all. I got the hair products for everything. But yeah, feel free to DM me. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. My Twitter is BronxMadeRay. Instagram is BronxMadeRay. Snapchat is IamRay_100001. I'm Bronx here. Be my family. I'm out. Pop. Hey. Woo. Woo. Ah.
Niggas is groupies, bitches is sense, niggas is sense, bitches is groupies. They in my shade, they some sense, they thought they knew me, but they don't. And I want hard. Niggas on my dick and I bet it that they gon' fall.
They hating, they watching, they lames, they fakes. Cutting the grass, they got me the snakes. I'm making my